What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Outsystems platform and its different features and uses. Outsystem is a great platform that you can use to build online and mobile applications, and even uses the power of AI for better workflow. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's outsystems.com, and you'll be redirected to their homepage right here. They'll give you some of the features of the platform as well as some key points that you can use. Like, for example, their ability to use AI for seamless workflow to add you build powerful applications, and some companies that use them, as well as some testimonials and some statistics and stuff like that. And here you can go ahead and log in if you already have an account, or schedule a demo so they can send you or schedule an appointment to show you a demo of work, or start for free here. So let's click on start for free and you'll be redirected to the sign up form. Here you first have to enter your name. So I'll enter my name, press enter or OK. Okay, first and last name, no problem. Okay. And now, are you trying Outsystems for your organization? Let's say yes. What is your business email address? I'm just going to enter my email address right here. To simple.site. Okay, enter. And now it's setting up my account. And what's the name of my organization? Let's say How to Simple. Okay. What's your job title? Let's say I'm the manager. Please set a strong password. So I'm going to choose a password. Okay. And if you want to, you can choose to receive latest news and insight on your email. So now agree and start for free. And now I need to confirm my email. So I'm going to go ahead to my inbox and confirm my email. Okay, and now that I have confirmed my email, I'm redirected to the login page. Okay, I've changed my email because the other one was having like trouble, so I used another email of mine. And the password, I'll enter my password. Okay, and then login. And here it opens up the main dashboard. I can download and install the Service Studio, so like their app. I can download and install the Service Studio, so like their desktop app, to build mobile apps as if I want to, and web apps as well. And here they give you some apps examples, like in an online banking app. I can try this app or build it if I want to. Now, because I haven't set up my account yet, I cannot build this app. However, I can click to try it if I want to. And they have like online stores here, and another example for an online app, an employee directory. And for each app, I can see some screenshots right here, and I can show more apps if I want to. Okay, let's say I want to try this healthcare app. Click on try this app. And I'm redirected to a live preview of the app itself. And I can choose which device I am viewing this app from. And here the app is in real time, and I can interact with it. And I can copy the web link, share it on Slack or Microsoft Teams. Okay, next. So I'm interacting with the app as if I'm a user. Create an account, log in, and stuff like that. So that is pretty cool. And I can change the orientation from landscape to portrait. And here I can choose the tablet, for example, the iPad. Okay, looking good. Now let's close this preview right here. And if I scroll down, I can see the tools that I can use. The Service Studio, I can download it. I can log in into Integration Builder, the Lifetime tool, the Service Center, user app feedback, and stuff like that. And here I can complete my account to create my personal environment if I want to. And now I can create my infrastructure or create my environment to start building the app. So let's continue creating my environment. Okay, confirm your password. Confirm. And now it's setting up my infrastructure. All right, now this took a while. However, this is now complete. My infrastructure is now set up. And as you can see here, now it says build this app. This option was grayed out before. It didn't let me use it, but now I can use it and build this app. So here I can choose the app that I want to build. Let's say this healthcare app. Okay. And now I can click on build this app and it'll open up in a new tab right here. And now it tells me that I need to install the Service Studio to build this app. Now here I can click on build an app if I have already downloaded this application. But for now, I'll just click on download Service Studio. It is now downloading. And as you can see here, it detects that I'm using a Mac and it automatically will download the Mac version. And while it downloads here, it gets me back to my main dashboard. And as you can see here, I've completed a task from the tasks that I wanted to complete my account. Now I need to open or build my first app in Service Studio, which I'm downloading right now. Open the app management tool. Okay. And here I can click here to open lifetime. And it will open a new tab for me, in which I need to log in again to my Outsystems credentials to continue this step. However, I'm going to close it for now. Okay, take training. They offer a training course that I can take to get my knowledge and know how to use the platform. I can join the Outsystems community to learn more, and I can explore components. So let's explore the components. Okay, this opens the assets and components that I can install on my Outsystems software or my system. And I have many here which are categorized here by category. For example, I can filter for mobile apps, the assets, that are for mobile applications. I can set or select for reactive, for service, for traditional web, or for business solution if I want to. And I can also filter by category. So here, apps, integrations, device capabilities, user interface, and so on. And for my activity and for platform as well. And I have such as advanced Excel, ultimate PDF, drag and drop reactive, and so much more. I can install whatever I want and start using it from within my system. Now let's go back and close this page. Now all I need to do is to wait for the Service Studio to download and then install it. And once I do, I'm ready now to import this app into the Service Studio and start editing and creating it. So that was pretty much it. That's how easy it is to create an account on Outsystems and start creating your first web or mobile app.